Hey everyone! Welcome back to FixMaster, where I share quick and easy tech tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your PC password in Windows 10. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to navigate to the search option in your taskbar. Type Control Panel, and you'll see the Control Panel option pop up. Click on it to open, and you'll see a range of settings. Once in the Control Panel, find and click on Credential Manager. This is where Windows stores your saved credentials. Now, you'll see two options, Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. Click on Windows Credentials. If no passwords are saved, it will display messages like no Windows credentials and no certificate-based credentials. This means your PC isn't password protected. However, if passwords are saved, you'll find them listed here. You can view, backup, or restore them easily. And that's how you can find your PC password in Windows 10. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixMaster for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.